Ho'oponopono is the best method to heal any relationship. So here I'm going to give a positive story uh, that shares about Ho'oponopono. So as you all know that Ho'oponopono is a Hawaiian practice and it is a excellent prayer for healing any of the relationships or any of your illness. So before going to start the story, this is Nilakantam, manifestation coach and Ho'oponopono healer. So let's start the story. Ho'oponopono is a Hawaiian practice of reconciliation and forgiveness that is believed to bring peace and positive changes to everyone's life. So there is one story about Ho'oponopono that shows its positive impact. There's a woman who was struggling with negative emotions and a difficult relationship with her mother. And she started practicing that Ho'oponopono. She repeated the phrases which are very famous for Ho'oponopono is, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. While she was doing this repetition, she continuously visualizing her mother because she has the conflicts with her mother. So she was continuously visualizing that they are in good relationship, and she was healed all the relationship, and her mother was completely loving her. She was visualizing in that manner. Over time, she found that her negative feelings towards her mother faded and they were able to have a more loving and positive relationship. Because of the repetition, it has been happened. Otherwise, it will not happen. Because she took the responsibility and said the phrases continuously. The woman attributed this transformation to her practice of Ho'oponopono. So this story highlights how Ho'oponopono can help individuals let go of negative emotions and improve their relationships with others. If anybody want to heal any of the relationship, just take their name and start doing the phrases. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. And compulsory, you should keep the intention before starting the repetition and start the repetition. And when you're doing the repetition, just visualize that your relationship with the person has been improved and all the negative things has faded. So this is the story, guys. Hope you people have loved this. If you have liked it, please do like it and also share with your friends and family members, because it's a real story. It was shared by one of my client. And if you also want to join with this Ho'oponopono healing process, there's a links in the description, you can check out. And we have that Ho'oponopono practice book also in the Amazon on my name. I'll also share that link in the description. You can also buy that book also if you want. We are also available on podcast and Instagram also. Do follow there. And the people who are seeing first time, please do subscribe and click on bell button for future notifications. Thank you so much, guys. We'll meet you with the next video on next the story. Thank you so much. Bye bye.